What's up, team? What's up, team? It's really great to be back with you guys again. It's really been quite a long time since the last time I actually uploaded something for you guys. So this is why today I decided that okay, fine, I'm gonna get back into uploading more content, and with my new website coming up really soon. Stay tuned, hit the subscribe button and the like button as well, so that you can get access to the latest things and the latest products and system that I'm going to be providing for you guys, which is fully sponsored. Therefore you won't need to spend your money or pay, or no credit card details or anything of that sort for you to get access to this system, as they are fully sponsored and I've been making them free. So today what we're going to go through is just I'm going to be looking through the charts and potentially just breaking down a few trading setup and just showing you guys how I would approach certain situations and certain type of setups, how I would actually approach them and execute trades on these specific setups as well. So without further ado, let us get started. Let us get straight to the point and let us see how we can actually approach the market today. So exciting to be back with you guys, to be honest. All right, so let us first start by going to we are now on the charts. Given that we are now on the charts, we are currently looking at euro US dollar. So euro US dollar, we have to go to the 1 hour time frame. We can see from the overall, let's go to the H4. Okay, I like the 1 hour. Okay, from the overall side, you can see that euro USD had been rising, where the level of rise with consolidation, and it actually consolidated for somewhere around 3 days. I even thought it was like a reversal already, but no, price consolidated for 3 days, and then the next thing is price ended up breaking that high yet again, giving us another high. We had probably level 1, level 2, level 3 over here. We could say that this is a reset over here as well. Then we had 1, 2, 3, or in the shorts, what I like to simplify things as much as I can. So we could just say level 1, level 2, and looking at where price currently is, I would actually like this to be level 3, and it would actually be ideal. Not to mention that also the moving averages have been showing me that it's in level 3 right now. One of the main benefits of the moving averages is that you don't even have to go to a much higher time frame. Once you know how to actually read this moving average, you know how to approach the market. You can tell that okay, this is like the 800, which is like the 50 on the 4 hour time frame, and the white one over here, which is the 200 EMA, which is like the 50 on the 1 hour, and then the light blue over here, this is the 50 on the let's see, oh no, we're on the 1 hour. I should have done this from the 15. Okay, so as I was explaining, the light blue is the 800, which is the 50 EMA on the 4 hour time frame, and the white over here, which is the 200 EMA, which is the 50 EMA on the 1 hour time frame, and then the light blue is the current 50 EMA on the 15 time frame. So looking at these averages, how can they actually help us? How can it even be beneficial for us? It can show us that okay, price on the H4 is going to the upside, price on the 1 hour time frame is going to the upside, and on the 15 minutes or so is going to the upside. And how can this be helpful, especially to us, given that I mentioned that this is level 3? So most of the time there's certain type of behaviors and certain type of things that price does and that the market makers actually do to trap us traders. So sometimes, usually on level 3, all of the averages will be pointing to the upside, because level 3 usually comes as a surprise. That's why most traders, they end up getting caught in the wrong segment of the market and caught at the wrong place ever. So this is why we use the EMAs. So if all the EMAs are showing upside, which means that most of the retail traders, they've been seeing upside. Obviously, yes, it has been rising for like 3 days. So day 3, we all know that as people that trade with this specific strategy, we know that on day 3 comes as a surprise. So day 3 coming as a surprise, we also should be ready. So we should be looking at these signs. We should be looking at the ADR and all that, 3 times ADR, all of that, this specific pair, the 3 times ADR is actually 273. 273. But the week has just begun. We are looking at what this is EUR USD. Let me also open it on trading view. I like to use both, you know, There are certain things that I like on trading view, there are certain things that I like on my MetaTrader as well, because I already got that thing as well on MetaTrader. But let me just do this real quick for you guys, so that we can see. So I think the week started, let me look at this. Okay, down there. Now I know where exactly I want to start counting from, the pips and everything of that sort. Let me see. Okay, where the peak formation low. Oh, this is 1 hour. Let me change to the 1 hour as well, so that I can see it much quicker. Okay, so what are we going to do right now? I'm just going to check. Let me just do a price range. Just want to make it clear for you guys. We are somewhere around 180 pips as well. And 3 times ADR is actually around 273. But we can see that price was already rising. We already had our level 1, level 2, and then we are going to, this is potentially going to be our level 3, right? So as I was mentioning, you can see that price is now rising. It's rising. Probably this is going to be our ADR high. If you zoom in, let me actually zoom in a bit closer to you guys. You can see that up here we have this yellow line, which is the ADR high. This is usually our ADR high for the day, so it's something that we also use for extra confirmation, for reversal and whatever. So given that the price is still rising, it's always important to keep in mind. I even got in a couple trades right now. Let us look at this. I should have kept my positions opened. Let me see. It actually hit my TP just now. But I'm looking for pair to start reversing. Actually, what we're actually looking for in this specific pair is for some sort of rejection, especially if this candle here gives us some sort of rejection, so that we can actually take a trade to the downside, or price might still want to come to the ADR high, play around there and lower a little bit more to the downside, given that obviously we're already on level 3 right now. The averages are all pointing to the upside, and you can also see that if you go to the 1 hour time frame, the average is starting to separate. As you can see, they're starting to separate. So this is also a sign of potential reversal coming up really soon. So this is something we should take in mind and always use as another type of like confirmation, just to, you know, help us get to where we're trying to get. So this is about it. Let us look at this. Which other pair do we have currently? We have also GBP AUD. We can see we had level 1, we had level 2, and we are currently on level 3. Ideally on GBP AUD, what I would want to see happen is coming over here. I did enter a buy trade already on GBP AUD, but I entered somewhere in here. So prices, I want price to go up, give us something like a double top before we can actually reverse, so that we can actually have that midweek reversal, which usually happens in between Tuesday or Wednesday. We usually get that midweek reversal as well. It could come during the New York session, because for most of those, I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but we do get a lot of reversals during the New York session. That's where most of the reversal actually happen. So it's something also that you could use as a tip or as an advice for your trading. All right, so I decided to make this video very quick. I'm going to be dropping you guys more in-depth videos where I'm going to be fully breaking down and fully explaining to you guys how to enter, how to analyze, and of course the bot as well. My system's still working. For all of those who haven't gotten the bot, a lot of guys have been making huge number of profits. They've been crushing the markets with the bot, given that they don't even need it doesn't even need their personal time. So for all of those of you guys who have the capital, you can get access to the sponsored bot. You need at least a K or plus, you know, just to fund your account, so that the bot can have enough margin. And then yeah, you can get up to 6 months free trial. by the time you'll be done, most of them they would have made a great number of profit. And most of my users, they choose to now purchase the bot for a lifetime, which is like around $4.99. But for now, no upfront payment, no credit card, none of that. You can get the bot completely for free, as long as you can just fund your own trading account. So yeah guys, I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'll be uploading this more often, and yeah, bye guys, catch you guys.